As in last video I told you that the various good things which was started by Napoleon Bonaparte into his own country, means France, as well as the territory which was under the control of him. So in this video we are going to see important point, that is the Civil Code of 1804. Usually this code is also known as Napoleonic Code, means Napoleon Bonaparte started this code. Code means you can say the law which was made by Napoleon Bonaparte, and three things are important in this Napoleonic Code, and as you are going to face 3 marks question based on the Civil Code of 1804 or the Napoleonic Code. So what are the three things which was mentioned in this Napoleonic Code? So let's see it. The first one, as per the Napoleonic Code, he did away with all the privileges based on the birth, means he cancelled all the privileges which was enjoyed by especially the first estate and the second estate. Second point, he established equality before the law, means all people, whether it is from first estate, second estate or the third estate, there will be a equality before law. And the third thing, secured the right to property, means each and every individual is having a right to gain the property, not only the first or the second estate. So this code was exported to the regions under the French control, means Napoleon Bonaparte incorporated this same code to the various regions under his control. So how he incorporated this civil code? Let's see it with the examples. In the Dutch Republic, in Switzerland and in Italian Germany, Napoleon simplified administrative divisions for the administration purpose. For the government, he made it too much simple divisions of the regions. Then he abolished the feudal system. Already we studied about the feudal system, so he cancelled that feudal system also, and he freed peasants from serfdom and manorial dues. One term it is mentioned here, serfdom. The meaning of serfdom is to work for the first estate without taking the charge, without getting any money from them. They are supposed to do the free work for the first estate. So he freed that peasants, small farmers, from that serfdom and the manorial dues. In the towns too, guild restrictions were removed. Guild means the trade restrictions were removed into the towns also, as well as transport and communication system were improved by Napoleon Bonaparte. Peasants, artisans, workers and new businessmen enjoyed a newfound freedom. They found that now these are the various good things which was carried out by Napoleon Bonaparte through this code. Businessmen and small scale producers of goods in particular began to realize that the uniform laws, they also come to know that there are the same laws for all. Even he introduced the standard weights and measurement system. Even he introduced also the common national currency, which would facilitate the movement of exchange of goods and capital from one region to another region. There was a uniqueness into the laws, weights, measures and currency, so easily people can exchange the goods and capitals from one region to the another region.